Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products out there. Today, we're talking about the Gaoye reading glasses for men and women, which we believe is the best men reading glasses 250. Whether you're staring at a screen all day or simply need help with fine print, these stylish blue light blocking glasses are here to make your life a whole lot easier. Gaoye has created a set of reading glasses that not only help improve your vision but also protect your eyes from the harmful blue light emitted by digital screens. With a sleek design and a comfortable fit, these glasses are perfect for anyone who spends long hours reading or working on a computer. The frames are lightweight, and thanks to the spring hinges, they provide a snug, secure fit for extended wear without causing discomfort. One of the standout features of the Gaoye reading glasses is the anti-blue light technology. If you're someone who suffers from eye strain or fatigue after hours of screen time, these glasses are a game changer. The lenses are designed to absorb high-energy blue light, which helps reduce the risk of digital eye strain, allowing you to feel more relaxed and less fatigued after long sessions at the computer or watching TV. These glasses come in a variety of diopters, so whether you need minimal magnification or something stronger, you'll find a perfect match. The set includes 5 pairs, making it super convenient for you to have a pair for different rooms, your office, or even your bag, so you're never left without them. Plus, the variety of colors available makes sure you'll find a set that suits your personal style. The lenses are made with high-quality materials, ensuring clear and sharp vision. With a durable frame and a design that's both functional and fashionable, these glasses are made to last. If you're looking for stylish and practical reading glasses that protect your eyes from the effects of blue light, the Gaoye reading glasses are a solid choice. For anyone who loves a good deal, the value for money here is unbeatable. You're getting 5 pairs of glasses with protective blue light lenses at a very reasonable price. It's a fantastic investment for those who spend a lot of time reading, working on computers, or simply want to protect their eyes while still looking great. So, if you're in the market for new reading glasses, make sure to check out the Gaoye reading glasses. They're not just a practical tool, they're an accessory that helps you look and feel your best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the best products out there. See you next time.